How to post then and now pictures on Facebook. In this tutorial, I will show you how to post then and now pictures on Facebook. The first step is to open the Facebook mobile app, just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app, where you will see all the latest posts that have been shared. From there, make sure you tap on the menu. It is this icon with the hamburger symbol. This is the menu page of Facebook. Here, there are various shortcuts that you can use to easily access different features of the app. From them, the one we need is this one here named Memories. Make sure you tap on it. After doing that, you will see this page with all these different layouts. From them, look for one named Then and Now. As you can see, it appears here. Make sure you tap on it. After doing that, this other page appears where there are 2 frames for adding your old and recent photos. So first, begin with the old photo by tapping here. After you do that, you have to select the photo you want to add. It can either be in your Facebook shared photos, or you can also get it from your phone's gallery. So make sure you tap here to add it to your gallery. As you can see, the photo has been loaded. After, you have to tap this button here, and the photo will be added to the frame. Next, you have to do the same procedure for the recent photo. So repeat it and make sure you add the photo, just like you can see me doing here. Finally, both photos will be ready. Now all you have to do is to proceed and share the photo on your timeline. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to post then and now pictures on Facebook.